Lego City, Baby Gorilla Encounter, Polybag. Let's build. Well, folks, we have completed the Baby Gorilla Encounter. We got a minifigure with like a rescue zookeeper outfit on. Plus, he's got a handheld set to probably talk to other keepers. Plus, he's got a piece of food for the baby gorilla. But guess what? That's not what he eats. He eats the baby food that's in the back of his pouch. So that's the little minifigure. But this is a little detailed area where he's perfectly put on his pouch. He's sitting there in the shade under the nice palm tree, I would call it. We've got a nice little frog here, a couple plants. He's on a rock post. Well, this is the Baby Gorilla Encounter little polybag. Perfect little set, $5, can't go wrong. Let me know your thoughts on this little set in the comments below. But as always, keep building your life just one simple brick at a time. Bye for now.